Again, going back to the volume, it was okay when we had 30 branches. It was still hard and took a lot of work. When you've got the size of business that we've now got, I think it'd be extremely hard, as well as probably needing to employ double the resource to manage it. So I think it's impractical to even think about going back to where we were before. We wouldn't be able to handle the volume or complexity. On top of that, we're even looking further, I guess, into now it's uncovering itself as having additional benefits. We can now bolt on such things as there's a cash module that you guys are now starting to offer us, so we can in effect run the rebates as ledgers to apportion the cash and any under or over absorptions of the rebates. So we couldn't do without it.
Yeah, so maybe suggesting things that you hadn't thought of, or if you were focused on primarily kind of calculating and managing, wouldn't have time to think of it.
Oh, certainly not. Certainly not. This is giving us that bit of breathing space to think with a little bit more innovation of how we can now really, really make it good.
Yeah.